Hi guys, how are you? In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw cash loan in Shopee. Let's start. So Shopee app guys is not only known for its online shopping experience, but pretty much they do have money movements, money transactions, and yes, they do offer as loan as well or cash loan. So how to withdraw? Just need to go to the lower, like you actually have two options. You can either look for finance here that's located at your homepage, and then click on S loan, or you could go to me, that's at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on S loan in my under my wallet, right? So you could also do that as well. So now I will show you using help.shopee.ph because they have a pretty interactive how to's here. So as I've shown you earlier, just click on finance and then click on S loan, and then you could actually withdraw your loan. Just tap on that. Once you do that, make sure that you put in your Shopee Pay or your PIN. Um, Once you already have that, you do have an option here to withdraw, and then you can actually choose if you would want to have your loan be credited on your e-wallet or through your bank account. So say for instance you're able to apply for your loan, it's approved, and then you've already put the information in here, where like how many months you'd like to settle that, and then it will withdraw. Once that's done, it would actually be posted in your Shopee Pay. So once you're already on your Shopee Pay, um, you will then access your Shopee Pay. So from your loan, it transferred you to Shopee Pay, and then you do bank transfer. So if you do bank transfer, that would go to your bank account, or you can just simply just go send money. So either you send it to another e-wallet, to a bank account, and maybe send it to someone. So that's how you can withdraw your cash loan in Shopee. So there. If you want to learn more, guys, you could subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.